Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are vector pattern texture 15 plus GB collection. You can easily download from the link in the description. This is part 1, part 2 and part 3. I divided into 3 parts so you can easily download. So these are winner files. You just need to extract this and you will get this. And this is vector part 2, part 3 and 1. So just open it. These are 5 templates in part 1. Botanica white flower watercolor set. You can see it. This is PNG format, high quality PNG files, and again in PNG, and again in PNG. You can see these files, absolutely amazing. You can use them in your arts. And this is bubble and gradient decorative set, bubbles. Again these are PNG files, so these are gradients, PNG format, you can see them. And these are stories, similar like gradient and bubble mix, something like that. And there are also other same, like just open illusion. This is for macOS operating system for Apple, and this is for Windows. You can see this. This is texture pattern, hallucination, composition. Just open this, look at that. And this is in PNG format. And gradient again in JPG. No, these are JPG. Similarly, these are winter wonderland, earth harmony abstracts. Just open it. Beer PNG file. You can use them in your art easily. Oh, this wolf. And this is backgrounds. You can also use them as your desktop background, but these are too light. I prefer dark one. So these are card template in PSD format. You can open them in PSD and you can easily edit Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Everything is editable. And these are elements and letter numbers and other. So there is vector part 2. Extract these, and these are 4 templates: folded paper sheets, graining gradient, pastel gradient, and winter festive collection. PSD files, transparent PNGs. You can see it. And these are white JPGs, white sheets. You can easily download from the link in the description, and so on. And there is vector 3, the last one part. For macOS system, the Apple alphabets and A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so on to Z. And these are frames. You can use them in your art as your for photo frame or any else you like. And these are frames too. And these are patterns. Adobe AI form and so on. You can easily download from the link in the description. Just click on the link and I will provide the 3 parts links, and you can download from here. Just open this and wait for 30 seconds, and the download now button will appear here. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that you found this informative and that it is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video, and take care.